Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to create an ISO file from files and folders. So first of all, you have to open google.com and then here you have to type and then here you will see first site. You have to click on it. And then here you will see so many programs. You have to scroll down and then here in utilities section you have to select imgburn. You have to select this one, scroll down, click on get. Your program will be downloaded in few minutes. After downloading the program, you have to open it and then you have to install. Start downloading imgburn program on your PC or laptop. You have to open imgburn. After opening imgburn, here you will see a bunch of options. You have to select the fourth option. Now you have to select the second option. Here you will see second option, browse for a folder. So you have to select the folder that you want to convert into ISO file. So we'll click on it and then we'll go to our E drive and here is our Windows 11. We'll select this one and then we'll click on select folder. Now you have to click on convert ISO file tab and you have to select the destination folder where you want to save your ISO file. We'll select E drive. And then you have to click on yes. Again click on yes. Now again you have to click on yes. Click on OK. Now it will start converting your folder or files into ISO file. So here you can see operation successfully completed. Now we'll go to E drive and show you our ISO file. Here you can see we have successfully converted our folder into ISO file. So in the same way you can also create ISO file from files and folders. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.